Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll walk you through the latest method to search within channels on Telegram Web using your PC. Whether you're tracking down a specific message, catching up on updates, or exploring topics in a busy channel, these steps will help you navigate with ease. First, open your preferred browser and head to Telegram Web. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're on the main interface, look for the search bar at the top left corner of the screen. It's marked by a magnifying glass icon. Click there to activate it. Next, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Search In just below the search bar. Tap on it and select Channels from the list. This ensures your search is focused specifically on the channels you've joined, filtering out unrelated chats or groups. Now type your desired keyword, phrase, or topic into the search bar. For example, if you're looking for a recipe shared weeks ago in a cooking channel, enter terms like pasta tutorial or dessert ideas. Telegram will instantly display results from all your channels, sorted by relevance. To refine your search, use quotation marks for exact phrases. Typing beginner yoga poses will prioritize messages containing that specific phrase, saving you from sifting through unrelated content. You can also combine keywords, like budget travel Europe, to narrow results further. Once the results populate, scroll through to find the message you need. Each result shows a snippet of the text along with the channel name and date. Click on any entry to jump directly to that part of the conversation. If the channel has hundreds of posts, use the Jump to Date option in the search results to fast forward to older messages. And that's it. With these steps, you can effortlessly locate information buried in even the most active Telegram channels. Whether you're revisiting an important update or rediscovering a hidden gem, mastering this search feature will save you time and keep you connected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy searching!